Happy Giving Day! My name is Constance, and I'm a senior in Geology and Geophysics in the College of Science. I'm so grateful for alumni and donors like you who provide financial support to me and my classmates each year. I received the Mountain Fuel and Dorothy Rice Good scholarships, and I have started working on my own research project in a lab. Giving Day donors help students like me achieve our academic goals and accelerate our career training and education in the STEM disciplines like geology and geophysics. Every gift makes a difference. As an incentive, some alumni, faculty, and staff have pledged matching funds and challenge grants to expand the impact of your gift. By donating today, you're investing in the future. Our goal this year is to raise $25,000 for geology and geophysics students. Please chip in. Thanks for your support.